Hi guys, hey, Dale Walker at Holeshot Performance. It is January 14th, Sunday, 2018. It's been a while since I've been here. Been a rough couple months. My mom passed away a couple months ago, and then we had the year-end stuff to all deal with. But now I'm back going again, and I wanted to give you an update. Mainly, this is a little video to show you that I finally have a solution to mount the hand guards, the original hand guards that come with your Versys 1000. Okay, and anyway, I'm going to have a little kit. A nice carburetor. I'm going to have a little kit here. Instead of just the little bar weights, this is going to be a kit that I'm going to be updating on the web page, the touring bar web page for the Versys soon. Basically, these are going to allow you to run the small, clean bar end weights without the guards, like on the web page now, and also be able to run the factory original bar ends, the bigger ones that are on your bike now, along with the factory handguards. So obviously they're just the regular expansion rubber. Comes with a little Allen wrench that fits this small 5mm head, 6mm bolt for these. You will supply your own 6mm Allen to go to the bigger stock bar ends. So what it will end up being is, I'll show you, this is probably going to be around $26, $27 for the whole little kit separately from your bars. Okay, what you do, run down real quick because I can't show you, I already have it all installed in the bike and I don't want to take it all back apart. Just picture this one here as being your stock bigger bar end. These Allens will be supplied, they're an 8x80mm. Okay, and you'll have your original handguard outer bracket, your original metal black spacer that's in the end of your bar now will go in here. No O-ring in between it. The O-rings, the clearance is wrong from Kawasaki, and they end up bulging out. They're unnecessary. So the bolt through your bracket against the bushing, black bushing. Then on the inside of the factory bar end, you're going to use this little stainless washer that I provide, because it's a taper and it ends up, the rubber ends up bulging out. So this makes a flat surface to compress it. Then you'll have your rubber. Let's do this. And then your new serrated 8mm nut on the end of the rubber. Okay, so that'll be the little kit pretty soon. Hopefully I have it done in a couple weeks or so. I got to get the parts. Okay, so let's go over to my bike. And so here you go up close. Here's your factory bar. Like I say, with the bolt first, the factory nice machine bracket, no O-ring, your original metal spacers inside the bar end. And then the important thing is you push this all the way in, hold it in with one hand, and snug down the bolt. You got to kind of keep in on it, pushed inward, so it doesn't want to walk its way out. And then it grabs the bars pretty good, because you got to remember it's only about a 1-inch capture on the on your rubber expander. And keep in mind, my bars have to be dremeled inside a little bit. So what you want is a nice snug fit without lube, where you can push it in by hand, wiggle it, but you can also wiggle it back out so they don't get stuck in there for life. Another thing very important is you want to kind of try this with just this bracket dangling first to get your throttle enough clearance between the throttle so your grip will not, you know, bind up on here. And you have your one hole for your pin you got to drill. So if it's off a little bit, you can just take a little round file or a little Dremel and you can slot your hole inward to give you more clearance here. Okay. Again, the left switch, if you look at my first video, that tip on that one, you can just Dremel it off. This switch still tightens snugly around my bars with no pin, so no drilling on this side necessary. Okay, and the one thing I don't like about these, the way Kawasaki designed these, the brackets are sanitary, real nice, kind of a hassle with these little spacers, but that's the way they did it, and that's fine. But this stupid way that they screw the plastic guard into these little plastic standoffs, I mean, it only gives you this much thread engagement. We're talking about 3/16. So be real careful. My hole on the left side was already oversized a bit, and the second I even started the screw, the plastic pulled out. So I had to put some JB weld on that one over there. Ticked me off. But other than that, that is the Holeshot solution. So now you'll be able to mount your stock hand guards with the original bar end weights. Turned out really clean. And the bars are fantastic. That's it. That's my update. I'll be working on some more stuff soon. What I'm going to do next on the Versys is go ahead and start on the fuel injection tune. That'll take me a while, but that is the next project I'll be working on. And you can call at the shop, ask any questions, 775-463-5394, Monday through Thursday. Okay, or you can email me at dlwalker@holeshot.com. All right, take care and ride safe.